In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ticket pipeline in Hubspot. Whether you're new to Hubspot or looking to streamline your customer service process, setting up a ticket pipeline can be a game changer for handling customer inquiries efficiently. So let's dive in and get started. First, make sure you're on the Hubspot homepage, either by navigating directly to their website or by using a bookmarked link if you have one. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your Hubspot account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Make sure to have your login details handy, as you'll need these to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Hubspot home. From this page, you'll navigate to the CRM section. On your dashboard, look for the CRM option and click on it. This is the area where you'll be managing your customer relationships and can set up your ticketing system. Once you're in the CRM section, the next thing you'll want to do is click on Tickets. This is where the magic happens. The Tickets section allows you to manage customer inquiries, complaints, or any other service requests in an organized manner. With the Tickets section open, the next step is to create a new ticket. You'll find the Create Ticket button readily available on this page. Click on it to start the process of creating a new ticket. Now it's time to add some details to your ticket. You'll want to provide as much information as possible to ensure smooth handling of the ticket. Details might include the customer's name, a description of the issue, and any other relevant information. It's important to be thorough here, as these details will help whoever's dealing with the ticket to have all the necessary information at their fingertips. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and double checked everything, you're ready to finalize the ticket creation. Go ahead and click on the Create button. Doing so will add your new ticket to the pipeline, making it accessible for tracking and action by your support team. And there you have it. By following these detailed steps, you can streamline your customer service processes and ensure that all customer issues are handled efficiently and effectively. Setting up a ticket pipeline in HubSpot can greatly enhance your ability to manage customer interactions and improve overall satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you to create your own ticket pipeline in HubSpot. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.